My name is Samson Bosire. I'm a Kenyan. I'm a student at JNTU. I'm pursuing MFARM. Last week on Wednesday, I got an accident while playing football and I got a fracture. I was taken to nearby hospital, but they did not help me. Then I was referred to come to Kamineni Hospital, Nagar, where I got a treatment. At Kamineni Hospital, under the Dr. Jayaprasad, senior surgeon, and the hospital management, while I was admitted here, I didn't have even enough money for the treatment, but they really helped me. The cost of the surgery is actually high, especially on the right hand where I got injury. They really helped me a lot. So this hospital is really very good. It can help someone in country like Kenya, or those who don't have enough money can really be helped here. My hand is now recovering and everything is okay. I can now flex my fingers. It was a critical surgery. It took long, actually 3 hours. The doctor was thorough in his work. He's a senior surgeon, Dr. Prasad. He really did a good job. I would like to thank all the hospital management of Kamineni Hospital, Nagar, and in particular, Dr. Jayaprasad, who really helped me a lot to ensure that my hand was done in good time. Because when I didn't have enough money, I was even so much desperate. I didn't know what to do. I was even thinking of going back to Kenya, and it would have taken long, and my hand needed really immediate surgery.